So hello guys, good morning. Masyadong napaaga pero may pupuntahan kasi kami kaya eto medyo maaga pong alis. Hindi niyo po kami makita. So mamaya ulit update ko kayo guys. So we're finally here inside the van. Ang padilim pa rin of course. Boracay. So update ko kayo guys maya maya. I-bleep mo na kami. So bye bye. We're finally here at Ninoy International Airport. Charot. We're here at Katiklan Jerry Port. So ayun, medyo strict po sila dito. It's because of nangyayari sa mundo. And ito nga, ang content natin sa vlog na ito is of course traveling during this time of pandemic. So this is the first time na magta-travel kami ng mga pinsan ko sa malayo, and at the same time napaka-stricto. It's because of the situation na to, and at least I was able to relax din bago mag-start yung finals namin. And guys, it is only one day transaction, so we will make sure na masusulit namin ito. So update ko kayo maya maya. Nakatawid na kami at binabaybay na namin ang habaan ng EDSA. Charot. We're here. So yun nga guys, kanina, just like what I'm telling you, is that napaka-stricto po pumasok sa isla, especially if you're not Anaklanon or Boracay nun. So it requires a lot of stuff, just like filling up the QR code, valid IDs and everything. So ayun nga guys, naglalakad na kami. with my cousins. And syempre tipid-tipid tayo kasi mahal ang pamasahe. So yung fare sa van pa lang is 150 pesos each. Then pagkadating mo ng Caticlan Jettyport, you need to present your QR code, valid ID. Syempre bibili ka ng boat ticket which is 40 pesos na po siya. Then you'll be given a seat number which is hahanapin mo siya sa loob ng bangka at hinihingal ang po siya. Hotdog. After that, papasok ka diba sa loob ng bangka at syempre ikaw magdadrive. Charot. Hindi, hahanapin mo ang yung seat number at doon ka uupo. Then that's it na. Makakatawid ka ng isla. But Aklanans are only allowed for one-day transaction inside the island unless you have reservations sa mga hotels or any accommodations kasi hindi pa nila inaalaw as of now yung overnight stay sa mga family and relatives niya or friends. Kaya that's it guys, maglalakad muna kami kasi hingal na ako guys. So update ko kayo maya maya. Bye bye guys. So ayan na, dumaan na kami kay tita and kumain na rin kami ng pangmalakasang kainan kasi wala na tong uwian. Charot. Tatambay kami sa beach ng mga couple of hours kasi we have nowhere to go and that's the only place na magpipicture-picture. And kaya nga sabi ko kanina, di ba guys, is susulitin natin siya na nandito na tayo. And for everyone's knowledge pala, mandatory po dito ang face mask at the same time face shield even sa beach po. So sa mga magbabalak pumunta, para aware po tayo, is magdala po tayo all the time just to be prepared. And pagdating naman sa fare or pamasahe, minimum ano po dito is 20 pesos and depende po sa layo. Kung medyo malayo-layo is mga nasa 40 po siya. So mamaya ulit guys, update ko kayo kasi nakakapagod maglakad. So ayun, lakad-lakad lang tayo, tipid sa pamasahe. And meron kasi ditong secret way papunta sa beach para dun ka na lang maglalakad sa beach and you don't have to ride tricycle or e-trike pa. So we're here at the front of Ohana. May ladybug. So lakad-lakad lang tayo guys para tipid tayo sa pamasahe kasi alam naman natin na medyo expensive. Papunta pa lang, nasa van ka pa lang 150 na. So is ganda lang tayo guys. So, mamaya ulit update ko kayo. So I'm finally here at the beach. Oh my gosh guys, it's been ages since the last time I went here. And it's really nice because hindi siya crowded. And at the same time, you'll have this confidence to talk to you guys, of course. Say hello sa vlog. Mga nagagandahan. Sana all naka one piece, naka two piece, at walang pieces. Super ganda guys. Ayan guys, oh my gosh. Ito ang tinatawag na paradise, ika nga. Not crowded. It's time for you to chill. Ito po siya guys, ang Boracay. Na-quarantine ng ilang months. I'm quite satisfied. Even though medyo natagalan tayong bumalik dito. It's because of, you know nga, nangyari. Ayan siya guys, sobrang ganda, no? And you really need to wear face mask and of course all the time tsaka face shield para for safety of everyone na lang po. And kaya nga sabi ko kanina na one day transaction lang tayo, so kailangan natin sulitin to. Gosh guys, the water is so refreshing. It's, oh my gosh, ang sarap. Oh my god, ang sarap guys. I'm telling you guys, sa mga Aklanon friends dyan, I'm tag dito, inaanyayahan. Wow, inaanyayahan. Inaanak ko kayo. Saan nyo akin? Ini-invite ko kayo guys na pumunta na. Pumunta na kayo guys. It's because, sino akong face mask?
Run.
Sino akong face mask? It's because super sulit guys. 150 pesos po yung pamasahe sa van from Kalibo. Then, 40 pesos po yung pambot. All you need to have is the QR code na magsa-sign in ka sa link. Kung sa gusto mag-sign in, isasend ko sa inyo yung link through Messenger. And at the same time, tag dito, 40 pesos po yung fare sa bangka. Then, kung one day transaction lang po kayo is, yun lang po, QR code tsaka 2 valid IDs na ipapresent ko. Kasi iiwan nyo yung isang ID nyo, then i-claim nyo siya after nyo bumalik sa Katiklan, Jatiport. So, ayun, kakatapos na namin mag-pictorial 101, part 1. So, lakad-lakad ulit kasi as of now, nasa station 3 kami. At super init guys, pero I miss this kind of feeling kasi buong quarantine time ko, nasa bahay lang ako at ngayon lang ako magpapainit ulit. So, as in guys, I am telling you, super worth it yung mahal ng pamasahe, yung stricto ng protocol, kasi sobrang ganda. As in, you can call this paradise again. Boracay Island is a true paradise, I'm telling you guys. And another thing guys is, pag nagsasunbathing lang po allowed na hindi naka-face mask saka naka-face shield. Pag nakaupo lang, kasi required talagang naka-face mask. And yun nga, pag nakita kayo hindi naka-face shield, lalapitan kayo ng LG, yumalay, then sisitahin or kaya pagsasabihin na kailangan nyo i-wear yung face mask nyo. And of course, syempre, kung kayo magta-travel anywhere, you should be aware ng mga protocols para maiwasan din yung mga penalties and anything pa. So, ayun lang guys. I hope na maging okay na lahat para makatravel na tayo ulit, no? And of course, basta gusto ko kayong i-inform na sobrang ganda ng Boracay, guys. Mag-i-insert din ako ng mga clips dito kung gaano siya kaganda, guys. So, stay tuned tayo, guys, okay? We're really tired, guys, of walking down the road and taking some pictures of me and my cousin. So, andito kami ngayon sa Station 1. Upo-upo lang sa ilalim ng puno. Walang makain. Palimos po. Charot. Maghintay lang kami ng magutom para bumili ng pagkain. And what we have only is water to survive in this paradise we call Boracay. Wow, sana all promotional. So, that's it guys. Update ko na lang kayo mamaya kasi sobrang init dito. So, after ng pahinga ng very light, to TikTok daw sabi. After na magpahinga ng very light, is lakad-lakad din ulit. Kasi pupunta kami saan ngayon?
Sa Bombay.
Sa Bombay. Magsusulisit sa Bombay, charot. May pupuntahan kaming restaurant na for now is free lang po siya.
Sikat na siya ngayon.
Sikat siya ngayon and they just require donation, walang entrance fee, just donation.
But
and
next year
meron na po siyang entrance fee which is 500 per persons. And available po dun yung mga food and drinks. So mamaya magvo-vlog din ako doon, i-shoot natin kung anong pwedeng makain and ipapakita ko sa inyo guys rather. So stay tuned guys. Sobrang init pero okay lang kasi malamig naman yung hangin. So stay tuned guys, mamaya ulit. So we're here at Zetro Adventure. So this is new here. And as of now, wala po siyang entrance fee, just like donation lang siya. And next year, meron na siyang entrance fee na 500 pesos. They have food here guys. They have ATV, I think. Do you call that? Yung nagda-drive chuchu. They have obstacles here. They have man-made attractions as well. Yung mga animal structure. Basta maganda dito mag-picture guys. So, ililibot ko dito. So, ayan, meron sila mga mini cottage. Ayan, na pwede kayo mag-picture. Yeah, they have the gorilla there. Those, ito, na pwede mag-picture in restaurants as well. So maganda siya dito guys. Pero sinusulit lang namin ngayon kasi wala pa siyang entrance fee. Pero next year they'll be having 500 entrance fee per head. Ngayon ay tapos na kami sa Zetro. Sa Citro naman tayo. On the way to City Mall. We're gonna laugh for joy. 안녕하세요. 사리카. 니하. So ayun guys, supposedly we are not staying here overnight but nakaisip kami ng paraan and here we are. Time check is 6:05 in the evening at the islands of Boracay. Islands talaga, ang dami ah. At the island of Boracay. And, yun nga, bukas early pa kami uwi para maklaim ang ating ID. Kasi kung hindi, see you police station. Charot. Ano tayo? Papagawan na lang tayo ng bagong ID. Hindi ako makita dahil kasi sobrang dilim, guys. Atit ko na lang kayo mamaya. Bye-bye. So ayun guys, hindi ko na nasara yung vlog kagabi kasi medyo pagod, tulog agad. So it's time check is 6:30 in the morning and we're going to go home, not Kalibo. And right now, naglalakad na kami palabas ng highway and lakad-lakad lang papuntang Cagban Jetty Port kasi malapit lang po. So mamaya update ko kayo after na makasakay ng bangka. So stay tuned lang tayo guys. So yun guys, we're finally here at Kalibo and medyo na-delay kami kasi may binili pa kami and dito ko na-end yung vlog ko and hopefully nag-enjoy kayo and at the same time babalik po ako sa isla, so stay tuned tayo. Bye guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share and hit the notification bell para updated kayo sa mga bagong vlogs natin. Thank you guys again and goodbye, safe.
I'm at a payphone. The sun goes down, the stars come out.